Hi, today we will be talking about charisma and leadership. Charisma is a personal charm or magnetism that enables a person to attract and influence others. It is often associated with strong leadership and the ability to inspire and motivate others. Charismatic individuals are typically confident, charming, and able to persuade others. Charismatic leaders are able to inspire and motivate their followers. They are able to communicate their vision and goals effectively and rally others around them to work towards achieving them. Charismatic leaders are able to build strong relationships with their team and create a positive work culture. Steve Jobs, the Mahatma Gandhi, and Martin Luther King Jr. are only few examples of charismatic leaders. Here's how you can develop charisma. 1. Practice self-confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Having self-confidence is crucial in developing charisma. 2. Develop your communication skills. Learn how to effectively communicate your ideas and listen to others. 3. Be positive and optimistic. Radiate positivity and enthusiasm. Charismatic individuals tend to be optimistic and positive. And finally, practice empathy. Put yourself in others' shoes and understand their perspectives. Empathy is an important quality for charismatic individuals. By working on these skills, you can develop your charisma and become a more effective and inspiring leader. Charisma also have a dark side. It can be a powerful tool, and it is important for leaders to use it ethically and for the greater good. This means using your charisma to inspire and motivate others, rather than manipulating them for personal gain. It is also important for leaders to be authentic and genuine, rather than putting on a facade of charisma to win over others. By using their charisma ethically, leaders can build trust and respect with their team and followers. Charisma can play an important role in team dynamics because it can bring energy and enthusiasm to the team. Charismatic leaders are often able to inspire and motivate their team members, which can create a positive and productive work environment. However, it is important for leaders to also encourage and empower their team members, rather than just relying on their charisma to get things done. Leaders should seek to create an environment where team members feel valued and able to contribute, rather than feeling overshadowed or intimidated by the leader's charisma. Decision making is affected by charisma. Charismatic leaders often have the ability to persuade others to support their decisions. Their charm and influence can make it easier for them to win over others and gain their support. However, it is important for leaders to also consider other perspectives and listen to the input of their team. In conclusion, charisma is an important leadership skill that can inspire and motivate others. Charismatic leaders are able to effectively communicate their vision and goals and rally others around them to work towards achieving them. They are also able to build strong relationships with their team and create a positive work culture. Thank you for joining.